Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel and we make videos for you people with great dedication. We work so hard and you do not even subscribe to our channel. Do not share the videos and do not even like them. I request you all with folded hands, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get our upcoming videos first. And share the channel with your friends and encourage us. Video later. Biology, cell membrane, DNA roots, etc. Some are pathogens causing damage to human beings, crops, farm animals and pets. Cholera, typhoid, tetanus. Citrus canker are well-known diseases caused by different bacteria. Bacteria reproduce mainly by fission, figure 2.3. Sometimes, under unfavorable conditions, they produce spores. They also reproduce by a sort of sexual reproduction by adopting a primitive type of DNA transfer from one bacterium to the other. The mycoplasma are organisms that completely lack a cell wall. They are the smallest living cells known and can survive without oxygen. Many mycoplasma are pathogenic in animals and plants. 2.2 Kingdom Protista. All single-celled eukaryotes are placed under Protista, but the boundaries of this kingdom are not well defined. What may be a photosynthetic protista to one biologist may be a plant to another. In this book we include chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds and protozoans under Protista. Members of Protista are primarily aquatic. This kingdom forms a link with the others dealing with plants, animals and fungi. Being eukaryotes, the protista cell body contains a well-defined nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Some have flagella or cilia. Protists reproduce asexually and sexually by a process involving cell fusion and zygote formation. 2.2 chrysophytes. This group includes diatoms and golden algae, desmids. They are found in fresh water as well as in marine environments. They are microscopic and float passively in water currents, plankton. Most of them are photosynthetic. In diatoms the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells, which fit together as in a soap box. The walls are embedded with silica and thus the walls are indestructible. Thus, diatoms have left behind large amount of cell wall deposits in their habitat. This accumulation over billions of years is referred to as diatomaceous earth. Being gritty, this soil is used in polishing, filtration of oils and syrups. Diatoms are the chief producers in the oceans. Figure 2.3a Dividing bacterium. Biological classification 2.2 dinoflagellates. These organisms are mostly marine and photosynthetic. They appear yellow, green, brown, blue or red depending on the main pigments present in their cells. The cell wall has stiff cellulose plates on the outer surface. Most of them have two flagella. One lies longitudinally and the other transversely in a furrow between the wall plates, very often. Red dinoflagellates, example, Goniolix, undergo such rapid multiplication that they make the sea appear red, red tides.